problems. Ankit's mother had rupees 8,000. She gave rupees 2,500 for her kitty party and rupees 1,500 for repairing her car. Then how much money was left with her at the end? So total amount. How much she is having? 8,000. 8,000 she is having. So in this 1,500 and 2,500. So these two are her expenses. 2,500 rupees she gave her kitty party and 1,500 for repairing her car. So these two are the expenses. After the expenses, then how much money left with her he is asking. First we have to find total expenses. Total expenses for kitty party as well as car repairing. First we have to add both. After the sum, means whatever the expenses we are getting, that expenses we have to subtract from the money she is having, total amount she is having from 8,000. First we have to add 2,500 and 1,500 we have to add. So after adding both, so we have to subtract that expenses from total amount. Now amount given for kitty party, how much? 2,500. Next amount given for her car repairing. Here 2,500. Here 1,500. Now you add this 2. 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10. 0 is 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Total expenses. Total expenses 4,500. Now total amount she is having. How much amount she is having? 8,000. 8,000. Total expenses. How much? 4,000. Next. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0. 8 minus 4, 4. Amount left with her. Amount left with her rupees 4,000. At the end, how much amount left? 4,000. First what we did? First amount for kitty party 2,500. Then amount for her car repairing 1,500. Add this. These are total expenses. Now after that total amount she is having 8,000. In that expenses we make minus. Then amount left with her we will get, that is 4,000 amount she left with her. Now the next, by how much is 1,33,671 greater than the sum of 45,385 and 82,355? First we have to add. These two. Then the sum is subtract from this number. Then we will get how much is greater than. First you have to add these two. Then after that, so you will subtract from that. Then first, sum of 45,385 and 82,355. Now we find sum. 45,385, 82,355. Then add 5 plus 5, 10. 10 means 0 ones, 1 10. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 means 4 tens, 100. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7 is a single digit number. No need to regroup it. 5 plus 2, 7. No need to regroup it. Then 8 plus 4, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 1,27,740. Now, this number is how much is greater. Now, we subtract this number from this number. Now, one lakh 33,671, 1,27,740. One minus 0, 1. 7 minus 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. Then take borrow 6 is a less number, magnitude is less, then it will decrease by 1, it decreases by 10, 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. 2 is a lesser number, again you take borrow from the next. From here, it will decrease by 2, it will decrease by 10. 12. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. So then 2 minus 2 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. No need to take. So here, yes, the sum of given two numbers. These two numbers sum is given two numbers. Given two numbers. Sum is 5,931 less than 1,33,671. The sum of these two numbers. The sum of these two numbers is how much it is less? 5,931 less than this number. Less than this number. Okay. Now, the third question. The difference between the two numbers is 4,974. If the greater number is 46,752, what is the smaller number? Here in this question, here the difference is given. Difference is given and greater number is given. It means minute is given and the difference is given. Then we have to find subtrahend. So then how to find subtrahend? So minute minus difference. Then you will get subtrahend. So here greater number. Greater. What is the greater number? 46,752. This is a greater number. And then after that, difference. What is the difference? Difference is 4,974. Then what we have to find? We have to find smaller number. Then make minus, then you will get smaller number. Here, 2 is smaller than 4, then take borrow from here. It decreases by 1, it decreases by 10, it will get 12. 12 minus 4, 12 minus 4 is 8. Already we did many times how to do minus. Then 5 to 12 you have to count, then you will get 8. Then 4 minus 7, it is less, again you take borrow from here. It will decrease by 1, it will decrease by 10. 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. Then 6, it is lesser than 9. Again take power from here. Then here we will get decrease by 1 and increase by 10. 16 minus 9 is 7. 5 minus 4 is 1 and this 4 as it is. Then smaller number. This is your smaller number. In this way you have to find smaller number. In this more 3 word problems were there. That 3 word problems do as your home assignment. Okay. Yes, now here we have to find the difference between, now brain booster, in this we recaptured what we did from workbook and textbook. So here find the difference between the greatest 5-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number. We have to find the difference. We have to find the difference between the greatest 5-digit number and smallest 5-digit number. First, here solution. Greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number. What is the greatest 5-digit number? 5-digit number greatest. Whatever the digits, 5, 6, 7, 8. If he asks greater, then just you take 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 5 times. If he asks 5 times 5-digit, then you take 9 5 times. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. So this is the greatest 5-digit number. Then smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit. Then how to take smallest 5-digit number? In the smaller case, we have to take 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 zeros and 1. This is the smallest 5-digit number. This is the smallest 5-digit number. Now we have to find the difference. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. This is the difference between the greatest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. Next, the smallest 6-digit number and the greatest 5-digit number. Next, smallest 6-digit number. 6-digit number, no? So 5 zeros we have to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1. Total 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then greatest 5-digit. Greatest 5-digit. 5-digit. Greater means all lines we have to take. How many? 5. 5 lines from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to find the difference. Now we have to find the difference. Then 0 minus 1. No, not possible. First we have to take power from here. So here it will get 10. And again from here it will get 9. Here it will get 10. Again borrow from here it will get 9. Here it will get 10. Again borrow from here it will get 9 and it will get 10. And again from borrow from here it will get 9. Here it will get 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 9 0. 1 is 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. It means 1. The difference is 1. The difference is 1. Here, smallest 5-digit number and smallest 4-digit number. Smallest. Here. Smallest 5-digit. Smallest 5-digit number, then 4 zeros and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and 1. This is the smallest 5-digit number. Now smallest 4-digit number. 4 digit 1, 2, 3 and here 1. Now we have to find the difference. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Then borrow from here. So here 1 is there. So here we get 1 decrease and here 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 9,000. 9,000. More one question is left in this bit that you do as your home assignment. Home assignment. Now here we have to add here and check. So then how to add? And first add all the numbers and after that check. Then 7 plus 6. So that addition we did, 7 plus 6 is 13, 3 is here and 1 is here. Regrouping. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 means 1 tens, 1 hundreds. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means 0 hundreds and 1 tens, 1 thousands. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Single digit number, no need to regroup it. 5 plus 3, 8. 85,013. Then, now how to check? So, you make minus. If you take this sum and one added, then you will get another added. Otherwise, if you take the sum and minus the second added, you will get the first added. So, sum minus first added is equal to second added. Sum minus second added is equal to first added. That is their wish. So, from the sum, which added you want to minus? So, I want to take second added. From sum, I want to minus second added. 85,013. From this, I want to make minus this first added, second added. This is the first added, this is the second added. I want to make minus second added this one. 3 to 32,576. Then minus it. If after making minus means after subtract, we should get this one. Otherwise our answer is wrong. Now, borrow from here. It will get 0, it will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. Then take borrow from here, it will decrease by 4, it will increase by 10. Again take borrow from here, it will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 3 is 5. 52,437. We will get the first added. So in this way we have to check. Now we have to add. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 means 1 ones and 1 tens. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 14 means 4 tens, 1 hundreds. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 4 hundreds, 1 thousands. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 is a single digit number. 6 plus 7, 13. 3,000, 10,000 and 1 lakh. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 lakhs 37,441. 441. Here till 10 lakhs we have to take. Till 10 lakhs. Here 10 lakhs 37,441. From this we have to make minus the first one. I want to take that in the second question. I want to minus this first added. In first question I make minus the second one, but in this one I want to check this. Second first added 77 lakhs 64,562. Then take borrow from here, it will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 11 minus 2 is 9. Again you take borrow from here, it will decrease by 1, decrease by 10. 13 minus 6 is 7. Again you take borrow from here, it will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. Then 6 minus 4 is 2. Then 3. Take borrow from here, it will get increased by 10. Again from here, it will decrease by 1 and increase by 10. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. 27 lakhs, 2 lakhs 72,879. 2 lakhs 72,879. The second item we will get. Some more 2 questions were there in this. You do as your home assignment. Now subtract and check. Previous we did this question. Again 2 questions for our recapitulation. So then here 5 minus 6, it's not possible. Then we take borrow from next. Here it will decrease by 1, it is increased by 10. 15 minus 6 is 9. Then here 2 minus 4, it's not possible. Again we take borrow from here. It will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. Then 1. So take borrow from here, it will decrease by 1, it's increased by 10. 11 minus 4 is 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. Now, then check. So we have to add. First we have to take this difference. 5 lakhs 22,789 and this one subtrahend. 4 lakhs 31,446. Now you add. 9 plus 6 is 15, 5 is here and 1 is 1 tenths. 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 1 13. 13 means 3 tenths, 1 hundredths. 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 1 12. 12 means 2 hundredths, 1 thousandths. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 4 9. 9 lakhs 54,000. 9 lakhs 54,235. So that answer we will get. The next. In this also. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 6. It's not possible. Take borrow from here. It will decrease by 1 and here it will increase by 10. 14 minus 6 is 8. 6 minus 9 is not possible. This minus is less. Take borrow from here. It will decrease by 1. It will increase by 10. 16 minus 9 is 7. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 3 minus 8. It's not possible because minus is less. Take borrow from here. It will decrease by 1. It is increased by 10. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. Then 5 minus 1 is 4. Then 4 lakhs 53,787. This is our difference. Now, how to do? First we have to take the difference. 4 lakhs 53,787. Now, subtrahend 1 lakh 82,960. Difference and subtrahend. Add difference and subtrahend. 7 plus 2 9. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. 4 tenths, 1 hundredths. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 9 17. 7 hundredths and 1 thousandths. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 2 6. Single digit. Single digit. 8 plus 5 13. 13 means 3 ten thousandths, 1 lakh. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 lakhs 36,787. 749. 6,36,749. So we will get minute. Next, here missing digits we have to find. Here subtrahend is given and this is the difference is given. Then how to get minute? Add these two. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 5, 2. Then here minute is given, here subtrahend is given. Then here minute is given, here difference is given. Then how to get minute subtrahend? 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3, 2. Make minus. Then here minute is given, here difference is given. Then how to get subtrahend? Minus them. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Then here subtrahend is given, here minute, here difference is given. Then how to get minute? Add this. 5 plus 3, 8. So in this way you have to do. So only simple thing. If minute is not given, then add. If subtrahend is not given, then subtract. Okay. Now 7. Here minute is given and difference is given. 7 minus 5, 2. That you keep here. Here these two are given. One is subtrahend is given and difference is given. Add 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. 4 minus 3 is 1, it is given. Then here minute is not given, subtrahend is given and difference is given. Add 4 plus 3, 7. That means 7 minus 4. So in this way you have to do. Okay. Now students, fill in the blanks. So these blanks are given. Try to do these blanks orally. Okay. So here this is 18,000 and 5,000. Plus 0 means 0 is added to any number, then we will get the 0 only. So no need to focus on this 0. So just you add 18 and 5. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Total 23,000 orally. 23,000 is your answer. Then 27,000 here, 13,000 is there. Here how many thousands we make minus to get this 13. So then 13 to 27, 27 and 13. Here 27 and 13 minus it. 7 minus 3, 4 and here that is 14,000. Just simply do orally like that. 14,000. You make 14,000 minus, then you will get 13,000. Then 24,000. How much is added to 50? Then you will get this. Then how to do? 50 minus 24 you have to do. 50 and 24. Then here 4 will get here 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 26,000. Here 26,000. Oral question. Here 88,000 plus 22,000. Here minus 0 is there. If minus 0 and plus 0 is there, don't focus on that because that number only we will get. 88 plus 22 how much? Add here. 88 and 22. 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Means you take. And how many zeros are there in all? 3 zeros. That 3 zeros you have to keep commonly. Commonly in both 3 zeros per there. That 3 zeros you have to take and 110 as it is. Then plus 15,000 minus 15,000 is 0. This becomes 0. If it is 0, then we will get this answer only. 1,15,000 only answer. Why? Because plus 15 and minus 15,000 is 0. So this completely 0. 0 is added to this, then we will get the same number only. So that is why it is 0. Next, what problems? Solution. Raju had 25,940 and spent 13,192 on goodies. So then how many rupees were left with him at the end? Then total this much and he spent this much. Then how many left means we have to make minus. Total amount, total money Raju had 25,940. Amount he spent. Amount is spent. How much? 13,192. Then how much is left he is asking. Then minus. Take from here, it will decrease by 1 and it is increase by 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. And again from here, it will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 13 minus 9 is 4, 8 minus 1 is 7, 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Amount left with him is equal to this much amount left, 12,748. This much amount left with him. Now, total 13,456 lights were used for decoration, out of which 478 lights were defected. Then after defected, more 500 working lights were added for decoration. So then how many good condition lights were there? So total how many lights were used? This many lights, and defected this many. So we have to minus defected one, minus defected. So good total lights minus defected lights. Then you will get good lights. Then after that more 500 good lights, more good lights were added. That we have to add. First we make minus, then after that plus. Then total lights used. How many? 13,456. Defected lights. How many defected lights? 479. Then minus. Then 6 minus 9. This is not possible, then take borrow. It will decrease by 1, it decreases by 10. 16 minus 9 is 7. 4 minus 7, then minus is less, take borrow from here. It will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 14 minus 7 is 7. Then after that again, take borrow from here, it will decrease by 1, increase by 10. 13 minus 4 is 9. And 2 and 1. Working lights. Now, working lights 12,977. Number of lights added. How many lights added? 500 lights added. Then 7 added means we have to add 7, 9 plus 5, 14, 3, 1, 13,477. 13,477. Now good condition lights. Now good working lights used is equal to 13,477. This many good working lights were used. Okay, more 4 word problems are there. That 4 word problems you do as your home assignment. Okay.